Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create the audio visualizer for any of your musics in Adobe After Effects. So start from now, I'm going to show you step by step. By the end, you are going to create something like this. Alright, so start from now, you just prepare your MP3, any of your MP3 musics, get one first. Alright, once you already have an MP3 file, next you start the Adobe After Effects. Right, this is the Adobe After Effects. The first thing what you are going to do is click Composition, New Composition. Then click OK. Now you will have one, and then drag in the MP3 file. Drag into here. Under the project, just now is the effect control. This under the project, you drag in the Jurassic Park, the music. This is my music. And next, click Layer. Sorry, it's here. Right click, New, Solid. Then this is a dark gray solid. Click OK. Once you already have the solid already, under the solid here, right, next, right click here, Effect, Audio Spectrum. Okay. Next, here you can see it is under the Effect Control and Project. You have to drag your music into here. Then next, back to the solid, then the Effect Control here. Effect Control. The audio layer, you have to choose the Jurassic Park MP3. Choose the audio, choose your audio there. And then, now you can try to play. You can see you already have some of the wave. Okay, next. The start frequency and the end frequency. Here you put 2000 is okay. Maximum height, you can make it high. Then here you can make it colorful, just like this. And finally, you are going to check totally how many seconds your music is. So this music, you right click properties and check it. Click the details. You can see the length is 1 minute and 24 seconds. So the composition length, you have to change it. Change the composition setting. Set here. Alright, again. 1 minute and 24 seconds. Change it here. You can put it 25 is okay. Now you click OK. You can see the timeline will automatically fit through the length of your music. And then just now it's under the dark gray solids. Effect control, this one. You can turn it many times to change the spectrum's color. You just want to have a spectrum. Right. Then, once you're done already, you can export it as a video. What you are going to do is click File, Export, Add to Render Queue. Under the render queue here, the render setting, click again the output module. You can just have a check. Here's the AVI. You choose QuickTime, then click OK. Next, you take it, output to as demo. I will just output to desktop. As a QuickTime, it's okay. Right click OK. Format options. Click OK. Render. Now it is going to render as an MOV video file. Then later you can just convert it into MP4. You have to wait until it finishes. So now you have to wait for a while. Now it is almost done, almost finished render. Now you can see it render as MOV movie. Just double click and have a check. Right. Open with. Now you can see it is already have the music spectrum, already have the audio visualizer, or we call it music visualizer, music spectrum. So since this is an MOV file, you can just go and download any video converter. This is a free software. You can just drag in, and then you convert it to MP4. The video size you put original, then click convert now. Now it is going to convert it to be an MP4 file. You can go to my video description. I already give you the link to download any video converter. This is a free software. So now it finished already. It will automatically pop out the folder. Right, this here. Alright, now everything done. You already created a music bar. This is a music visualizer, audio visualizer, or audio spectrum. You can call it music spectrum as well. Everything done perfectly. Alright, that's all for today about how to create an audio visualizer in Adobe After Effects. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your animations and game developing, You can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy happy animation and game developing. See you.